Singapore now, and today is my first time here. I bid for this flight. It was first month when I can bid, and I put Singapore for first priority. I really wanted to visit this amazing city. And I was shocked when I received my roster and I saw 3 Singapore's flight. Today it's my first flight, and I want to explore like closest and the most famous area in Singapore. We live in downtown, so everything is very close. I hope you will enjoy my trip, and of course I want to show you this actually wonderful view from my room number. You need to see it because I love it too much. So let's go to my balcony. So guys, now we are on my balcony, as I told you before. Here you can see we have swimming pool and some restaurants from our hotel. And here this amazing building which I told you before. And here right now you can see the most famous area in Singapore. Yeah, we live in downtown and it's very like good area. And I suppose it's very expensive because we live in 5-star hotel this time. And of course you can see that famous avatar trees. That was the reason why I bid for this flight, and now I'm going over here. I want to explore this area more, and I hope you will enjoy this trip with me. And I promise it's not the last one because I have 3 more flights to Singapore again, so we explore this city as much as we can. Let's go. So now left my luxury, very hospitable, very nice hotel, but I want to see the city like a little bit. I'm alone again, so I will be talking too much as usual. But this video will be in English, as you understand. Sorry for my pronunciation. I know about my Russian accent, but I think it's not so bad. At least you will see Singapore. So we will meet you somewhere over here. To be honest, I'm falling in love with this city because of this green nature, a lot of trees, tropical trees. I think I will be love this city as I love Kuala Lumpur. Yeah, it's a little bit same, more cosmopolitan of course, but I love this like climate. I love this unusual trees from my country. Now I'm in the Esplanade, or a theater on the bay. It's one of the most famous places for art. There's like art hall, concert hall. So now guys, we are going on to that famous, also one of the most famous place, Marina Bay Sands. This is one of the most known hotels. On the roof they have swimming pool, huge swimming pool, a lot of nightclubs, a lot of different restaurants. It's 5 stars hotel. It's very expensive one. and I wish one day I will be staying at that hotel, not of course with the company. Thanks my company that we also stay in the 5 stars hotel. But I think as a tourist, like at this, if you can see on the roof, it's the shape remember me like a ship, like I don't know, Titanic, something like this, small version. And here you can see all the view from Marina Bay. This view remember me Dubai. Actually, Dubai, Marina in Dubai looks similar, not same, but similar. A lot of people here. I love this place, guys. It's one of the best destinations. Now I'm very happy that I received a lot of flights to Singapore and nobody wanted to swap with me. So I'm a lucky person. I saw also somebody eat coconut ice cream. I love coconut ice cream. Yeah, all my friends know that I love sweets too much. And coconut ice cream is one of the main things which I love. I tried it first in Kuala Lumpur. It was the best ice cream. Then I tried in Bangkok, but it wasn't same. I think here I need to try it also to compare what is the best coconut ice cream. And it's very hot here. It's like plus 30 degrees. It's supposed to be rainy, but I think maybe later, because as you can see the sky is more cloudy, but I hope I will not see the rain here. As you can see now I'm in Marina Bay. It's a little bit windy now. I'm not sure if you're gonna at least like hear me or not, because I'm very disappointed with my microphone. It was actually GoPro camera. I have a lot of problems when I try to make one video. Believe me, I try to do it like 40 times. That's why I post my video so like rarely. I have a lot of video on my GoPro camera, but I cannot put it together on my laptop. Every single time some mistake on GoPro apps on my laptop or with the memory. There is no memory for the video, so it's very difficult to do something. Now I'm gonna see that like Avatar 3, I don't know. I try to get there because it looks close to this place, but I don't know the way how to get it. So let's go. So now I already ordered that coconut ice cream. It looks a little bit different from Bangkok's one and from Kuala Lumpur one. So I will try and will share my experience if it's nice or not. But also they give me for free like coconut water. It was nice. But in Kuala Lumpur they do same. So now I'm going somewhere. I don't know. Now I'm in the bridge. So we will see where it goes. So guys, I'm still here. I just walked through the bridge, and I found just a few fountains, some restaurants, and a lot of people. It's a very tourist place. So I have a time, so I will share your experience about that ice cream. So still now coconut ice cream in Kuala Lumpur the best one. Here it wasn't so bad, but it wasn't so nice. They put a lot of nuts and you cannot even feel the taste of coconut. You just felt during like drinking coconut water. Yeah, that was real taste of coconut. But when you eat that ice cream, you feel just the taste of nuts and no more, nothing. So as you can see now, it becomes more dark. It's maybe I think like sunset already. I also want to go out in the evening when everything will be in the lights. By the way, do you know that Singapore was built using all the feng shui stones? So this should be perfect city. And I think that really works because it is one of the most rich city in the world. It's one of the most famous ones. So I think I need to think about feng shui in Sarawak. Yes. Maybe I will feel myself more better. Maybe I will become rich, famous person. Guys, to be honest, I don't know. I found the mall. I read that we have like food court upstairs. I'm upstairs now, but there is no food court here. I don't know. And there's a lot of sales. So I know myself. If I'm not found the food court, I will do shopping. And that is bad because I have a lot of stuff at home. I don't need more shopping, more stuff. So guys, we will try to find something to eat somewhere. Finally I found where is the food court here. I need to do like one more upstairs and then I'm on the right place. Now I didn't see any food here, but I know that I'm on the way to have dinner. But I have no idea how I will find the way back to my hotel. But I think I have a lot of time, so I can do whatever. So bon appetit to me and to you guys. And see you later. And now you have a chance to enjoy Singapore at night. Oh my god, I want to live here forever. And this hotel, in this room number, and every morning and all the evening have this view. I miss it. Since I moved to the middle of nowhere, the desert, I really want to live closer to downtown.